Hi students, this is Anusha, your science teacher, here with your topic acids and bases. Let us do 2. So, in previous topic you have learnt about turmeric paper, how it changes its color when you add to the lime water and to the soap water. It changes into red, you have seen. So, I said that some other substances also will change their color when you add other substance to it. Okay, they change their color. Remember, they change. The important thing here you to notice is they change their color. They change their color. What, when one substance is added to another substance, what, they change their color. So here is the first in table 2. First let me explain the table, then I'll go with table 2. So filter paper, the columns of filter paper. Filter paper is something paper, not normal paper, which is used in your chemistry labs. Color of indicator paper. So you will make with these things, you will make indicator paper. What is this indicator means? When you will use this indicator, and what is this indicator mean? The indicator indicate. You are supposed to indicate. Indicate means you are supposed to show, isn't it? When you are traveling on a bike or a car, what you will do, you will on the indicator when you turn, which means to the other person that you are taking a turn, isn't it? And not only that, indicating when traffic jam during the traffic signals, red, green, yellow. These all are the traffic signals which indicate to stop, to move, to get ready. We know it. So here is something indicator in science also, which indicate what it indicates, what it shows. It shows what it indicates. By what? Like showing light and all? No. It changes its color when some substances are added to it. It changes its color when some substances are added to it. So what are those substances and what are there? Let us go into a detailed explanation. Let's vinegar. You know, vinegar is used in your noodles or any Chinese item to make it very tasty. Apple juice, you know, apple juice, banana, lemon juice, soap, lime water, glass cleaner, lime water. Lemon juice is something, yeah, here I want to indicate, tell you one thing. Lemon juice is something different from lime water. Don't take both as same. Lemon juice is something that lemon you will make it, isn't it? Juice, that is a lemon juice. What is lime water? On the bitter leaves, you are going to apply lime water. Lime. With that you will make water. You will add that powder and make water. You will learn in next session. Means what? That is a lime water. Lime water is something different from lemon water. Lemon water is that you eat lemon, that water. Lime water is on the betel leaves you will write. You will apply to it. Pan you can say. On the pan, white color thing you will apply and you will eat it. That one. And next, glass cleaner. Glass cleaner. Any of your glass cleaners, what you will clean. Milk of magnesia is a substance which is used to get rid of acidity in our stomach. Okay, these all are the substances. And turmeric, petals of hibiscus, you know, petals of hibiscus will be red in color. And when you rub on the filter paper, they turn into pinkish. Okay, mango leaf, green in color, beetroot, red in color, oleander is red in color. So when these all are maintained, these all are the things, and these are the color of indicator papers. So when you add to this vinegar, there will be no change. Apple juice no, banana no, yellow color. If you, the turmeric paper will be yellow color. If you add vinegar to it, there will be no change. Apple juice no change, banana no change, lemon juice no change. Whereas for soap, it will, the yellow color will turn into red. R there is nothing but red. R there is nothing but what? Red. R I have written, isn't it? R is red there. R is red. And B I have written. B is blue. And Y is yellow. So these are the three colors which are going to, I have written there. So what? So turmeric paper, when to the turmeric paper, make it as a filter paper and make it as strips, and you add soap to it. If you add soap, it turns into red in color. If you add lime water, it turns red in color. and glass cleaner, any glass cleaner you take, it turns into red in color. Milk of magnesia, it is also turns into red in color. Petals of hibiscus will be in red in color. There will be no change with vinegar, apple juice, banana, and soap blue, lime water blue, glass cleaner blue, and milk of magnesia, it will turn into blue. And mango leaf is green. There will be no change in the color when you add these things. But when you add that soap, lime water, it will turn into yellow. The beetroot also the same. The oleander, you have to write about this oleander. That means what? They are changing their color when some substance is added to it. So some substances will change their color when other substances are added to it. So some indicators are those some substances change their color when added to other substances. Some substances will change, like our hibiscus, like our turmeric, and all, they change their color when they are added to another substance. These all are called as indicators. These all are called as what? Indicators, which indicate that by changing their color they indicate what is the substance added to them. Yes. Next, see another topic, that is, before going to the table 3, let me explain you one thing. See, litmus paper. There are two types of litmus papers, like our filter papers. With the filter papers from the lichen plant, we will make indicators. By the lichen plant, like our turmeric, hibiscus and all, like that. Similarly, a filter paper is taken by the lichen plant. We will be making with them we are going to make this litmus papers. So with the filter papers we are going to make, and we are going to make like these strips. They will be available in red and blue in color. Red and blue in color. So see the table 3. Here are some substances given. Did you understand this? From the litmus paper is also an indicator. So they are available in two, that is red and blue. Here are some substances. We will see to which color they change when these litmus papers are dipped in them. So these all the examples what I say you are supposed to take, and you have to put those papers. So here are the 3 columns given to you in the table. First one is substance. Red litmus paper. And blue litmus paper. Here are some substances given. Orange. So you are supposed to test with red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, no color change. Red litmus to blue, blue litmus to red. So what is this? You are supposed to take a litmus paper, red litmus paper, and you have to see, you have to put on orange, and which color it changes? Red. If you put red litmus paper, it does not change any color. If you put blue litmus paper, yes, it changes. No color, you no need of it. Next one. Next one is, in your column, next one is tomato. To tomato, what? Red litmus paper, when it changes from red litmus paper to blue, when it changes from red litmus paper to blue, you have to check. You have to put what now? You have to put red litmus paper and check. There will be no change. If you put blue litmus paper, yes, it turns into red. Got it? Next one is your baking soda. Next one is your baking soda. The soda which your mother will be using for your pakodas and all, isn't it? Baking soda. When you put red litmus paper, yes, it changes into blue. When you put blue litmus paper, there will be no change. Next one is mineral water. Next one is what? Mineral water. If you mineral water, you know, isn't it? Mineral water. I need to change this number, right? Mineral water. For mineral water, if you put red litmus paper, there will be no change. If you put blue litmus paper, there will be no change. So, next one is no change in litmus. No change in litmus, yes. There will be no change in litmus. There will be no change in litmus. Yes, it is right. There will be no change in litmus. The red litmus, if you put red litmus paper, it does not turn into blue. If you put blue litmus paper, it does not turn into red. And there will be no change in the litmus paper.